May crop weather turns wet. We'll talk about it in just a moment. Welcome back to Your World in Agriculture for May 14th, 2025. And thanks to our sponsor, Imogene Ingredients. Midday prices on Wednesday, July 2 cents higher at $4.43 per bushel. Also, July soybeans up 3 cents at $10.75. Also, July wheat higher at 4.75 cents at $5.22. June live cattle down slightly at $216.30. August feeder cattle down 90 cents at $305.10. June lean hogs down $1.15 at $98.35 per hundredweight. Market news: U.S. and China slashing tariffs for 90 days sparked a soybean rally on Tuesday. Also, USDA's crop production report Monday proved bullish for corn and soybeans, with old crop ending stocks tightening and also the new crop ending stock estimates lower than the trade expectations. Let's take a look at the numbers. Here we are with the charts for old crop numbers for the U.S. ending stocks for corn, 1.4 billion bushels, below the April estimate. Also, soybeans coming in at 350 million bushels, below USDA's April number, and wheat at 841 million bushels for May, below the April estimate. World numbers: the world ending stocks, corn at 287 million metric tons for old crop is slightly below the April number. Soybeans slightly higher in May versus April, 123 million metric tons, and wheat at 265, above the 260 million metric ton estimate in April. But for the new crop, you're not seeing it on this chart, but for the new crop estimate for corn, USDA projects 277 million metric tons for the new crop 25-26 marketing year. That's below the trade estimate of 297. So that proved to be positive for the corn market. The soybean number for the 25-26 marketing year is also below the trade estimate. However, wheat for new crop, not seeing it on this chart, but a new crop higher than the trade expectations. On to South America's crop production numbers. Really no change here for either Argentina or Brazil for corn and soybeans. Let's take a look at other notes of interest from that report on Monday. The USDA estimated U.S. corn trendline yield at 181 bushels per acre. We've never done it, and the trade is concerned about whether we can reach that number. Meanwhile, the soybean trendline bushels per acre was an average, is at over 52 bushels per acre, and that hasn't been done as well. So trade experts are really concerned that we may not be able to reach those numbers this year. On the bearish side, May's crop weather forecast for the Corn Belt pressures midweek trading this week. Rain events for the Western Corn Belt are expected to arrive on May 19th and again on May 24th. And these are rain events of 1 to 3 inches. So that is bearish for the market right now. Also, what's bearish: corn planting at 62% this week, announced by the USDA, is at a rapid pace. That is compared to 56% five-year average. Soybeans right now on a record pace with 48% planted versus a 37% five-year average. Spring wheat, 66% planted versus a 49% five-year average. And winter wheat rated 54% good to excellent versus 51% a week ago. On the cattle side, the U.S. shut down cattle imports from Mexico due to more screwworm cases. The cattle prices in the cattle market continues to go higher. Cattle, hog, and poultry producers, listen up if your livestock have scours. Imogene Ingredients sell a product called Pharmatan that stabilizes the digestive process. It can save your animal, increase immunity levels, and improve general health. Decrease your scour cases today on your farm by contacting Imogene Ingredients at 515-745-1639 or visit imogeneingredients.com. Be sure to subscribe and like Your World in Agriculture for more farm content. I'm Mike McGinnis.